All right, this is a tutorial for a 1 minute, 1 band messy bun. You don't need any bobby pins, you don't need a second band, and this takes a minute or less. So, first take out your pony, or whatever your hair is like, and I brush through it. What you wanna do is take your band and start putting it in a high pony. Again, this is a messy bun, so it doesn't have to be perfectly smooth. The hair can be messy, it's perfectly fine. Now, here is where the magic happens. So from this position, up high, way up high, okay, you want it super high, like sitting on top of your head. Grab the band, start wrapping it around and pull it through. Once, depending on how thick your hair is, twice, and I'm gonna do it 3 times. Now watch. Once you pull it through a 3rd time, you're gonna stop like this. Now take this hand, pull your fingers through. What you're going to do is start wrapping your hair through that band. So take this hand, pull your fingers through, and pull the hair through. Like that. Use your fingers to spread it out. Pull it, make it messy. Then grab the hair, grab that band again, feel where the hair's going through, fingers through, and pull it through again. Spread it out, pull it. You can kind of mesh it with the first one, make it even. Okay, go to the next spot, find the band where it meets the other hair, and pull that next strand through. Do you see that? Pull it, make it messy, make it even. Then I've got a little bit more. I have super long hair. So this, you can use a bobby pin if you want, and tuck it under and pin it. I have enough that I can probably get away with tucking it in the band one more time. So pulling the band out, fingers through, pulling the hair through, like so, twisting it all up, and there you have it. So then I like to pull the top and the sides out a little bit just to give it that messier look. I like to have some loose on the sides. You get the gist. Go as high or low as you want. You could do the same thing low down here, but super quick, super cute. It gives you that super like Instagram model messy bun look without spending 20 minutes on a messy bun, right? This is what a messy bun was supposed to be. Quick, easy, but still looks cute when you're out running errands. For more hair and makeup tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, drop a comment, send an email, let me know what else you want to see. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Keep an eye out for more beauty and hair tutorials, tips, and tricks. If you're interested in the other videos on my channel that are VIP kid related, go check those out or send me an email. That is my job I do from home, teaching English to Chinese students, and it's the best job ever. Anyways, good luck with your messy bun, and see you soon.